10th Samachir Max exercise 3.16 fourth sum. Exercise 3.16 fourth sum. A is equal to 543 1 minus 7 9 3 8 2. Find the transpose of the matrix. Transpose of the matrix means arranging the rows as columns and columns as rows. That is interchanging the rows as columns and columns as rows. So 543. So it is given as 543 means you can write it as, okay, so first see the column 513. So I'll write it as rows 513. Next you see 4 minus 7 8 and write interchanging these columns as rows. Next is 392. 392. So this is your transpose. They have asked for the fifth sum. A is equal to, this is given as 1 2 3 3 rows 2 columns 2 columns. Then find the transpose of minus A. So first of all find out minus A, that is write the negative of these values. So minus root 7 3 root 5 minus 2 minus root 3 5. That is I am writing the positive as negative, negative as positive. Here it is positive means I written as negative. Here it is negative means I written it as positive. So next is transpose of this matrix. So you will get, write this columns as rows. Minus root 7 root 5 minus root 3 3 minus 2 5. So this is your minus A transpose. Next is they have asked you to find out A transpose. A value is given, then verify A transpose is equal to transpose of transpose is A. So A transpose first you find out. So you will write rows as column. This column I am writing it as rows. Minus root 17 8 2 0.73 2 5 by 2 1. So transpose of this again is 5 2 2 minus root 17 0.7. That is I am interchanging this columns as rows. Then 5 by 2. Next is 8 3 1. So it is nothing but you compare and see your value of A. So you are getting A again. So A transpose of the whole transpose is equal to A. Seventh sum, find the value of X, Y and Z. Here the matrix is given, you can equate the values. So 12, this is equal matrix is given. So the corresponding values are equal. So Y is equal to 12. Your X is equal to 3. Your Z is equal to 3. So just compare the corresponding values and write the values. Now here it is given second subdivision, X plus Y is equal to 6. So X plus Y is equal to 6. Next is 5 plus Z is equal to 5. 5 plus Z is equal to 5. So Z is equal to what? 5 minus 5 is equal to, I am bringing this 5 this side, 0. So your Z value is 0. Next is 5 plus Z is equal to 5. XY is equal to 8. So your XY is given as what? 8. So Y is equal to what? 8 by X. So you can substitute here. So X plus Y is equal to 6 means X plus 8 by X is equal to 6. So in the place of Y I have put 8 by X. So LCM means X square plus is equal to 6X. So X square minus 6X plus 8 is equal to 0. So now solve. Minus 6. 4 2s are 8. Both are negative means you will get minus 6. So your X is equal to what? 4 comma 2. So 4 or 2 is your value for X. Can you write X is equal to 4 comma 2, Y is equal to what value you have found out? Y is equal to 8 by X. So 4 means Y is equal to 8 by X means 8 by 4. So it is equal to 2. So your Y is equal to 2, Z is equal to 0. So this is your values. Next third subdivision. Here they have given X plus Y plus Z is equal to 9, X plus Z is equal to 5, Y plus Z is equal to 7. So you write X plus Y plus Z is equal to 9. Next is given X plus Z is equal to 5. So you can write X plus Z is equal to 5 means replace here 5 plus Y is equal to 9. So in the place of X plus Z I am taking this X and Z. So X plus Z is what? 5. So 5 together you take 5 plus Y is equal to 9. So Y is equal to what? 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So your Y value is 4. This is your Y value. Next is they are given Y plus Z is equal to 7. Y plus Z is equal to Y plus Z is equal to 7. So in the place of Y and Z you put 7. So X plus 7 is equal to 9. So X is equal to what? 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So your X value is 2. Next is you write in one of the value here you can write place. So x plus y plus z is equal to 9 means x value you know, y value you know. So 2 plus 4 plus z is equal to 9. X plus y plus z is equal to 9 means x value is given as 2, y value is given as 4. So 2 plus 4 is equal to, so 6 plus z is equal to 9 means z is equal to 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So your result value is 3. So you can write x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4, z is equal to 3.